Hi, and welcome to Pitch to Screen. In this video, we'll talk about a faster way to edit using automation and ripple trimming in Adobe Premiere Pro. First, I'll start a new project and import a few clips. To start editing, I'll create a new sequence by clicking on New Item and selecting an HD preset. I'll call the sequence Rough Cut, then hit OK. Now, instead of viewing and marking every single clip, then dragging and dropping the clips to a sequence, I can select all the clips I want and use automation to place them in my sequence. To do this, I'll hold the Command key on my keyboard and select a few clips in the order I want, then click Automate to sequence. I'll modify a few options and then hit OK. I now have all of the clips placed in my sequence. Now, instead of dragging to trim and close the gaps, I can use shortcuts to edit faster, trim, and close the gaps at the same time. I'll drag the playhead to where I want to start a clip and then click the Q key on my keyboard to ripple trim the beginning. Then drag the playhead to where I want to end the clip and click on the W key to ripple trim the ending. I can now quickly edit using this technique by placing the playhead where I want and ripple trim using the Q and W keys. To refine the edit, I can use the Slip tool, drag to adjust where to start and end a clip without changing the duration. If you have a music track and want to cut to the beat of the music using automation, you need to add markers on your timeline and automate to place the clips at the markers. So, I'll hit the spacebar to play the sequence and click the M key on my keyboard to add the markers. Next, I'll highlight a few clips and click Automate to sequence. Make sure the placement option is at unnumbered markers, then hit OK. I'll use the Selection tool to close any gaps and the Slip tool to change the in and out of each clip. And this was how to edit faster in Premiere Pro using automation and ripple trimming. For more in-depth training, please check out our online courses. To watch more videos, please make sure to follow and subscribe. Thanks for watching.